Hi everyone, this is Sharan here. Welcome back to my channel Trade Diary 101. I am a trader by profession, so I usually trade in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Today I'm going to make two videos, one on Nifty and one on Bank Nifty. After this video, do check out the Bank Nifty analysis also. Now what I usually do is I analyze the chart from different time frames, and I usually come up with a trade plan for the next day. That is, say tomorrow is 11th of April 2022, right? So we are going to look at the market, try to mark a few levels, and also look for certain price actions so that we can take a trade tomorrow. Now I will not waste much of time. Let's straight away get into the action. Now if you see from last couple of days, 5th, 6th and 7th, we had a continuous downfall from the market, right? This is 1, 2 and 3. So there was a gap here, there was a gap here. On Friday, on 8th of April, the price tried to cover the first gap that was created, right? Now if you see here, the price which opened at say around 17,700 went down to a level of 17,600 and rose back again, right? So I am going to consider this level around 17,650 to 17,600, this 50 points as a demand zone for me in the coming days. So if tomorrow price comes into this zone, I will be looking forward to buying it. Now let's not waste much of time. Let's straight away mark it. Now these are certain levels I have marked based on the daily basis. Now as we go ahead, we will mark in the shorter time frame and see for ourselves if there is any trade patterns available to us, right? Let's go into a smaller time frame. Let's go into 60 minutes. Now I have a 60-minute time frame. The first thing that I can observe is this particular trend line which was taken down. So the price is trying to go on a upside. So having said that, that becomes our first level. Secondly, we see here that the price came here multiple times and bounced back. So this zone for me, which is 17,650 to 17,600, becomes a very important demand zone. I will also write it as demand zone here, right? Let's take it as demand, this is my demand zone, right? So that's the first thing. Will we take a trade based on this? We will wait and see. We will mark few more levels, and then based on that we will take a decision. Now I also have marked this level around 17,900 to 17,850 as my resistance level. I'm going to mark it and write it as resistance there, right? If there is some spelling mistakes, please do forgive me, because I'm in a while I'm making the video, I'm writing, so it is difficult to keep changing it, right? So this is my demand zone, this is my resistance zone as of now. Now I'm going to go into a shorter time frame to see if I can get any more trade plans. I'm going to 15 minutes time frame. Now if I see here this particular place where 17,840 say later 17,767, right? This zone is something which is very important, where I don't see any kind of action taking place, right? So I'm going to call this as a no trading zone for me. So I'm going to write it as no trading zone, right? Again, as I said, if there is some mistake, please do forgive me here, right? So you have no trading zone, you have a resistance zone here. Now having seen this three things itself, we get a small trade plans. There are three trade plans that I'm going to discuss with you. Number one, the first trade plan is, if suppose the price opens below 17,760, right? And if the price comes around 17,650 in the demand zone and gives me a confirmation, I will look forward to buying this for this particular level of 17,750. This is the first trade plan that I will be looking out for tomorrow, right? So does this mean that every time the price comes into the zone, will the prices move up? Not necessarily. It won't happen like that. Our idea is to mark certain logical zones and wait for the prices to come there, give us some confirmation in terms of bullish confirmation, and only then we will take the trade. Now having said that, that's the first trading plan that we have marked, right? We'll also look into few other trade setups that we might get. The second trading zone or the second setup that I might get here is if the price opens in the no trading zone. You will not take a trade obviously if the prices moves around 17,900, right, the first area of resistance, and if we get a confirmation in terms of bearish, we will look forward to shorting the game. If the price doesn't cross this no trading zone after creating the bearish confirmations, we will have to exit it because it is not ready to give up. The market is not ready to give up. So that is where we will exit. But that becomes our second set of trading plan. Trade number 2, if price opens here, goes to the zone above 17,900, we will look forward to selling it with a stop loss above this level of 17,965, right, which is here. I'm just going to mark it with Alt H, right. This will be our stop loss, right. This is trade number 2. Now, is there any trade 3, trade 4? Yes, there is a trade 3 and trade 4. If the price opens, right, anywhere above this resistance, we will wait for the prices to take a pullback down, give us a confirmation around the 17,935 levels to go forward. If it enters into no trading zone, we will not take any trade, right. So that becomes our trade number 3, right. Suppose the price opens here, right, trade number 4. Now we'll also discuss trade number 4. If the price opens in this zone, which is around 17,757, say like 17,643, if it opens here and crosses this demand zone of ours, we will look forward to selling the market, right. This becomes our trade number 4. So we have discussed overall 4 trading plans for the coming session, right. If there is any other things that you want to discuss apart from these zones and everything, do I look at any other things like indicators, or you can message me. I'll be more than happy to answer you as well, right. Having said that, please do trade carefully. We will come back with a fresh analysis day after tomorrow. Please do like, share and subscribe this channel. It would really mean a lot to me. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Have a great trading session. Also look for the bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow. Thank you.